Tonight we are following up on the confusion around vaccines and just who's able to get them. Now, Denver 7 viewer Pamela Maloney reached out to us. She said, I went to King Soopers and inquired about getting the COVID-19 vaccine. I was told only people over age 65 or with an at-risk condition could get it. Now, those are the FDA guidelines, but the state of Colorado stepped in and they opened it to everyone.
So we sat down with Pamela, and turns out she's not the only person who had this experience. Denver 7's Danielle Kreuter took their concerns straight to the company.
In the last few weeks, confusion over the COVID-19 vaccines. The FDA announced only people who are 65 and older or those with an at-risk condition can get the vaccine. Well, that did not last very long here in Colorado. Colorado's health department issued a public health order saying anyone who wanted to get the vaccine can get one.
Then I saw the story and I was like, oh, I can get it.
Pamela Maloney says it's important for her to stay up to date on her vaccinations.
My dad's 82 now and he has COPD and I see him every couple of months.
She says she went to her local King Soopers to get her COVID shot.
They said I couldn't because I wasn't 65 or older and didn't have one of the underlying conditions. And I did tell them, I'm like, I just saw something on the news. There's a new public health order that was signed.
What did they have to say?
They just were like, no, you have to fill out this form and meet one of these conditions.
But it didn't just happen to Pamela. Last week, we heard from two community members who tried to get their COVID-19 shots here at the Cap Hill location on Tuesday of this week. They also were told that they had to be 65 and older or have an at-risk condition.
I just didn't know if I was going to win the battle with the pharmacy. You know, it's a big company.
So we took her concerns to King Soopers corporate.
Hi, Jessica. This is Danielle Kreuter with Denver 7.
We were told over the phone that King Soopers does not have an official statement on this, but they recommend customers speak to their pharmacists about vaccine options. Pamela is hoping, with time, all Colorado pharmacies can get on the same page.
Whether it's the King Soopers Pharmacy, Walgreens, CVS, Costco, whoever has it, it's available for them to give it. If the public health order is fully enforced, it's real, then I wish that they would all get that information correct.
I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.
And we wanted to know how or if that new health order is being enforced with Colorado pharmacies. So we reached out to the state health department for details. No update from them yet, but we'll let you know when we hear.
The CDC's Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices is holding a two-day meeting next week. That advisory committee is made up of leading medical and public health experts who advise the CDC on the safety, effectiveness, and clinical necessity of vaccines. We will let you know if any relevant information comes from those meetings.
Well, last month, Health Secretary Robert Kennedy announced nearly $500 million in cuts to vaccine development. Now, Kennedy says the mRNA vaccines have failed to effectively protect against upper respiratory infections and has cited health risks from COVID-19 mRNA vaccines. Now, health experts say, yes, there are risks to any vaccine, but the COVID vaccine has proved incredibly effective.
The mRNA COVID vaccines are probably, at this point, our best studied vaccines. There's been billions of doses that have been administered, and what have we learned? We've learned that they're remarkably effective.
The Trump administration has also said a reason for pivoting away from mRNA vaccines is that the public, they say, just doesn't trust them.